Personal calls and company time. You were slacking off earlier, and now this. You can kiss that performance bonus goodbye.
Surprise, Daddy! Shopping for a stepmother is so much easier when they come to you. Which one catches your eye?
Come on, Emily. I'm running a corporation. I'm not auditioning for The Bachelor, okay? So why don't you just call this whole pageant off?
Fine. But just so you know, if you insist on living like a hermit, I'll have to cancel school in Oxford. Somebody has to make sure you don't overwork yourself to death.
You know, I meant to tell you, and I'm so sorry I didn't, but I'm already married.
You're what?
Yeah, I'm married.
Tell me, who's this mystery woman that managed to thaw the great Ethan Carter's heart?
Leo?
Betty White, sir.
Betty White.
Wow, David. Your new apartment is amazing.
Shoes! Oh. Put some shoe covers. Tracking dirt inside. David!
Thank you, son. Melissa, you must be exhausted growing this little miracle. I brought some fresh produce from my garden. Everything's organic, filled with nutrients, just what you and the baby need.
Thanks, Mom.
You know what? You actually look younger than I remembered. Could have charged an extra $20,000 for the marriage.
What is she talking about?
David, you didn't tell her?
Tell me what.
I found your husband. Mr. Porter, he's quite desperate for a wife, and he's willing to pay $100,000 for the marriage.
Marriage? Okay, I'm not remarrying.
You don't get to be interested or not. David and I, when we got married, what did your family give me? Absolutely nothing. This baby formula itself costs $100,000. This is not for us. This is for your grandson's
Melissa,
future.
Stop, Melissa. Mr. Porter is an alcoholic. He's abusive and dangerous. His last wife ended up in the hospital twice.
Shut up, David. Nobody asked for your opinion. Take my side, or I swear you never get to see your baby boy.
Stop, please stop fighting. Don't blame my son for this, okay? The reason I can't remarry is because I'm already married.
What?
Yeah.
You're married?
Yes.
To who? Prove it. Where's the certificate? Show me. Show me.
We had a deal. You said you'd sign the marriage papers for $10,000. Now you're demanding $50,000? That's extortion.
Inflation, supply and demand, call it whatever the heck you want. If you don't pay, I'm leaving.
I can't come up with that kind of money.
What am I gonna do?
I'll marry you. No charge. I'll marry you. No charge. Oh, here you go. There's that. Here. This is a limited edition Patek Philippe worth $700,000. Considered a wedding gift.
$700,000?
Yeah.
That's insane. There's no way I can accept something that valuable.
You can, and you will. Look, I have a board meeting in 20 minutes, so go ahead, take it. There you go. I'll be in touch.
So you actually went and got married. What now? You're gonna bring him and have him leech off of us?
No. I sold the house that David grew up in. This should be enough to cover the baby's formula, and then some. I won't be bothering you anymore. I'll be on my way. Bye, David.
Miss Emily's flight to Oxford just took off. And the marriage plan worked.
And the surgery?
Already scheduled. The doctors estimate a full year for recovery. Should we inform your wife?
Mama? 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 I love you.
Mom! I don't think we should see each other anymore. For a long time. Melissa gets upset. I don't know, I don't want to stir anything
It's okay,
within
son. I understand.
Thanks, Mom.
You take care.
Sir, she hasn't responded. I don't think she's coming.
Well, seems I read this wrong. She's made her choice, so let's go.
Mom! Mom! Help! Help! Call an ambulance! Mom!
Sophia, let me help you. No, you shouldn't be doing that on your own.
I'm fine. Just please go back inside.
I can't believe David hasn't seen you since the accident. I mean, you sold your house, you moved to the village, all for him, and he can't be bothered to call?
He's happy. He's living his life. That's all that really matters.
What about your husband? He got married a year ago, and I haven't even met the man.
You know what? After the accident, it was all such a blur. It happened so quickly, and I don't even remember what he looks like. I'm late for work. I have to go.
So stubborn.
Sophie, those windows are a disgrace. Go clean them. Now, are you getting too old for this job?
Yes, ma'am.
Eyes up. Who do you think you are, staring at the chairman like that? Don't even dream of it.
I'll marry you. No charge. This is a limited edition Patek Philippe worth $700,000.
proposal for the Henderson client meeting, Miss Carter?
I got this in Paris. Limited edition. And my meeting is in 30 minutes. Here you go.
Excuse me, if I may. I can mend that for you. It'll be good as new.
Okay.
Wow. There you are. It's good as new.
You? This isn't just a fix, it's an improvement. The embroidery is amazing.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you so much. I have to go, but I hope I see you again. Okay, sure. Thank you.
Bye.
Meeting adjourned. No one has any other questions? That's all.
Well, your quarterly projections are impressive. Clearly, that new school is really paying off.
Save it, Dad. I did a little investigating, and I only found one toothbrush in your bathroom, one coffee mug, and 0 signs of any feminine touch anywhere. When I said I was gonna skip school, you claimed you were married. Are you gonna stick to that story, Dad?
I'm married. I told you I was married. I'm married.
Perfect. Let's meet her tonight.
Well, you see, honey, your stepmom's a really busy woman. Tonight's not the night.
Convenient. Then when?
Soon. Very soon, I promise. Everything happened so quickly. I'm not sure if I can recognize her face anymore.
Your first call to your wife in a year. This is so exciting. Sorry. Sorry.
Personal calls on company time. You were slacking off earlier, and now this? You can kiss that performance bonus goodbye.
No, ma'am, please. Earlier I was only helping a young woman with her torn sleeve.
Enough of the excuses. Remember your place. You're just a cleaning lady. One more slip up, and you're out on the street.
The only one leaving today is you, Sandra.
Mr. Carter.
Using your authority, threatening employees. It's not leadership, it's cowardice. You're fired.
Please. Sir, no, I promise it'll never happen again. Please.
Just get out of my sight.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Carter.
What's your name?
Sophia Reed, sir.
Sophia Reed. Oh, it sounds so familiar.
Mr. Carter, everything's set for the meeting with your wife.
The chairman is married now? I thought he raised his daughter by himself.
Prepare some gifts.
Yes, sir.
He's so thoughtful to his wife.
Look at that car. The paint job alone probably costs more than my house.
What somebody like that is doing here?
That can't be good.
Thank you, Leo.
Gifts for your wife, sir. Custom Cartier jewelry, the keys to the Mercedes, the BMW, and the Porsche, and a limited edition designer watch from Rolex.
So this is how she's been living? Put an estate on the list.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Except for my manager, Sandra, she's always breathing down my neck. She just got it out for me or something. Hello?
Hi, it's your husband.
Sorry, who is this?
Ethan Carter.
Ethan Carter. Like my boss, Ethan Carter? Did you say your name was Carter? I'm sorry.
Honey, dinner's ready. A little pasta bolognese with fresh.
She's living with another man?